IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like birds? Why or why not? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I like birds because they are beautiful and make nice sounds. I often see them in my garden, and I feel happy when they sing.
Why is this a band 5? Simple vocabulary and grammar with limited range. Ideas are clear but basic, lacks complex linking and elaboration. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, I really like birds because they add a sense of liveliness to the environment. Their songs in the morning make me feel calm and refreshed. I also find their colors and patterns fascinating. It's like nature showing off its creativity.
Why is this a band 7.5? Good lexical range, liveliness, refreshed, fascinating, natural flow, and varied grammar. Ideas are well developed and coherent. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. I've always been fond of birds because they represent freedom and harmony with nature. I often spend time watching them in local parks. Their graceful movements and melodic calls have a calming effect on me. Observing them also reminds me how delicate and interconnected our ecosystems are.
This is a band 9. Sophisticated vocabulary, graceful, melodic, interconnected ecosystems, strong coherence, and complex yet natural sentence structures. Expresses insight and depth. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.